How to enable or disable show tabs on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom, and then tap on developer options. Next, in here, we scroll down and then go to the input section, then tap on show tabs. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now when you switch it on, when you tap on certain location, you can see it shows a dot showing where you tap on it. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.